Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We are continuing our series of pattern therapy and today we will learn pattern number 9. Subscribe for regular art tutorials. Just like most of my pattern videos, I will start by making the basic outline first. I'm drawing this line and lifting my pen after every 4 dots so that it leaves a dent, a small mark for me to understand where I have to start my vertical and horizontal lines. This step saves time because I do not have to count again, and also it leads to uniform boxes. If you draw lines before and then divide later, there are chances that few boxes may be incomplete or may not have sufficient squares that you need for completing your box. So outline is complete. Now we will draw our vertical lines after every 4th dot. We will repeat the same step horizontally. And with this, our squares are complete. Next step, we will draw small circles exactly at the center. We already have a dot at the center which will work as our mark. And you just have to draw a small circle around that dot. For the next step, we will draw 4 lines on each side of the circle. The line will extend towards the nearest dot. You will notice that we already have a dot in each direction. So they will work as our guiding point while drawing these small lines. Those dots will ensure that all these lines are equal and do not extend beyond needed space. Make sure that these lines only touch the circle and do not enter it, and the intersection points are really neat. For the next step, we will join the edges, corners of the square to the small lines that we have drawn just now. We will repeat the same step vertically with the corners and lines that we have left. Continue this step throughout the sheet and our pattern will be complete.